Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to change page orientation in Canva in a simple way. First, open your Canva design from the dashboard. Make sure your project is already created or open an existing design. At the top menu, click on Resize and Magic Switch. This option allows you to change the size and format of your design. You will see the Resize tool. Click on it and then choose Custom Size. Now you will see width and height fields. To change the page orientation, swap the numbers. For example, if your design is 1080 by 1920, change it to 1920 by 1080. This will switch your design from portrait to landscape or from landscape to portrait, depending on your choice. After entering the new numbers, click Apply. Canva will create a new version of your design with the new orientation. You can now adjust your elements so they fit properly in the new layout. Thanks for watching.